Hi, I'm Daniel Hookwater with University of Michigan Science Olympiad, and today I'll be showing you how to sign the release form for your student. So first, your coach will send you a URL to fill out the release form. They'll probably send you this in an email, and you're going to want to navigate to that email or to that URL. So note that I am already signed in as a student. However, you need to make sure that you're not signed in as a student. The reason why is that if you sign the release form when you're logged in as a student, it will appear to us as if the student has signed their own release form. While this is not an issue if your student is not a minor, it is a pretty serious one if your student is not a minor. So make sure to sign out of the student's account such that you can then fill out the release form. So now if you navigate to the URL, you'll see that it asks you for a login. Now, I've already created an account. However, every single parent will need to create an account to fill out the form for their students. So here we'll log in with my parent account, after which point we can log in. So from this point, we can click Add a Member to add one of our students. And then participant full name is going to be the name of the student that you're signing the form for. So here we'll say test student because we've got a very interesting name. And then you'll want to click sign and submit the form. So note that while this is a text entry box, it will only submit the name of whoever is on the account. So this is the reason why if you sign this release form with your student's account, it will appear as if the student has signed the release form for themselves. So in order to sign, just click sign, then submit form. As you can see, it should show you that you have successfully submitted a form for test student and our executive director, because we were testing it previously. But now that you've done this, you have completed the entire release form signing process, and you should be good to go. Please note that if you have already done this process on your student's account, we will need you to redo the signing process with your own account. Thanks for watching, and we hope your student has lots of fun at the competition.